She said, "Who's another guy?"
Nope, we're right. It's lifting.
Oh. This one until this year, the train is number 12 years commercial use. Commercial use, number 12 years. Electricity. 12 years ago. 12 years ago. 2 years ago, French, they failed. Crash. So they forget about it. China, we already successful 600. This is 431, 600. 2 years later, we have
Only at 140.
600. It's getting faster and faster. So tomorrow you take it. Tomorrow you take a 350. 350
Tomorrow's bullet train. Only 350 tomorrow?
Yeah.
So I see the news, like the American, they gave up from Los Angeles to San Francisco, which is only 220.
Yeah.
Give China 220 10 years ago started.
There you go.
10 years ago we done.
You should come over and show them how it's really done.
We need to send cheaper labor to your country, to North America.
There you go. Hey Frank, you're the best tour guide. You really are. You're awesome.
250, look at it.
All right. It's same speed as the Maserati.
270.
Yes. You're scared? No, that was good. I wasn't expecting it. that.
But we got another opportunity, right? On the way back. Because they do same time.
Oh, this is slow. Come on, man. What's this?
Too slow. This is like working. Working on the mood.
This is 270 kilometers an hour. This is too slow now. Wow.
Michael Jackson working on the moon.
How come I slow it
Because we're getting there.
down? We're there already.
Pardon?
We're there already today.
And we're still going 220 kilometers an hour.
I know, but how come I
Yeah,
slow
this is
it
still
down?
200.
I did that.
Feels very slow. Feels
Okay,
very slow.
just enough, just so I can tell you, one time we used to own a Corvette. You know Corvette, right? One time I took it out to an old county road.
Yeah.
B-class 10-foot ditches on each side, stones. I put it up to 235 kilometers an hour. It was pretty exciting. Not like this though. Those were my stupid days.
You see, this is the first day you're landing. This airport. Remember the first day you're landing?
Big deal.
Pudong Airport. Yeah. So this is can go to the two different terminals, right? Yeah. They almost finished another third terminal.
票给我，我去换票了。有问我那个情况需不需要？去一下试一下。
绝对可以。
反正我们时间多。
Make sure we stay, but you can switch your seat.
7 minutes.
We're gonna go that way.
So
Way back.
switch to the yes side or
Yeah.
this side? Or
Yeah. Wait, because we go that way. Yeah. Yeah, okay, no problem. Because we go that way.
Him and I are gonna switch.
Yeah.
Great.
All right, folks.
10-7.
Pudong International Airport. Did you jump a little bit when the other train went by? Yeah. Did you jump?
Oh yeah. That's why. I didn't see.
Oh, you didn't see it?
No.
You don't see it. That's why I pushed.
Where is the
Frank?
no, he says was the 30 or like this.
Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't hear anything. This is the speed Via Rail goes right now.
Start it.
This is the Via Rail speed in the corridor. Now it's just faster.
I tried one carry in my car. I tried.
I guess what I got. 230.